Okay, folks, starting off in Northwest Africa, where a little bit north of this they had a snowstorm a couple days ago. Well, last night they had a thousands of kilometers long dust cloud, really, as the article title says here, really start to choke out West Africa. In Bolivia and South America, dengue fever and hemorrhagic fever are on the rise there. That's a level 4 epidemic hazard, highest there is. Mount Etna in Sicily erupted yesterday. It's about the 8th or ninth time in the last year. And H5N1 bird flu has spread to West Java, Indonesia. NASA has indicated that between 2003 and 2010 we lost enough polar ice to add half an inch of water to the global sea level. That's a good read, we'll put it below. You can see the solar wind speed is on a steady decline as we're coming out of a mild solar wind stream that was buffeting the Earth's magnetosphere and causing some of the auroras around the poles, and was causing some of the temporal variations here on the induction magnetometer, which, as you can see, have stopped as the solar wind speed is going down. Checking in quickly on the critical frequencies in our F1 layer, this blank chart is what it's supposed to look like in Gakona, Alaska this time of year. Not really supposed to register much of an F1 layer, but of course, as you know if you've been watching, we certainly are registering one. We had a little solar active region kind of emerge over the southeastern limb this morning, really becoming pretty complex pretty quickly, morphing very quickly and developing a number of sunspots. When we take a look at it magnetically, we can see there's a lot of little spots, and not too complex yet, but it's still very young. We had 2 ejections off of the sun while most of us slept. This one's kind of hard to see in this view and the other AIA views, but when you come here to the SOHO, you can see the times do match up and there was some kind of eruption associated with it. Last but not least, we had some kind of eruption right near the center of the disk. Now that dark linear coronal hole-like feature you can see just to the top left of it there, we had some kind of eruption, so we'll have to wait and see what we need to make of this. That's the news, folks. Be safe.